Hey everyone! Today we will be talking about designing with monochromatic colors. Let's first begin by changing our Brandkit colors to some stunning monochromatic colors. In the left-hand menu, you'll see an item called Brandkit. Go ahead and select that. And now you can scroll down to see your brand's color palette. You can delete a color by clicking this X icon, or you can click it and you can change the color itself. Monochromatic color schemes are derived from a single base hue and extended using its shades, tones, and tints. Tints are achieved by adding white, and shades and tones are achieved by adding a darker color, gray or black. Now that we have our color palette, let's move to an artboard where we can work on designing with these monochromatic colors. To change your background color, go ahead and select this paint bucket icon, and then go ahead and click color. And from here, you can choose from the colors within your Brandkit. And there you go. In just a click, you can change your color palette to reflect vibrant monochromatic colors. Applying a monochrome technique to brand identity is a great way to create unity and will make designing anything for the brand that much easier going forward, as all the colors have already been chosen. Check out our other videos to see how Simplified can help you every step of the way with your brand. See you there!